Oke, standby, kamera ready, sound ready, 3, 2, 1, action!
Hello everyone, my name is Desi Natalia Shalloho, NPM 2441176 from Class Management 24X. Today, I'm going to present a topic titled Financing Institutional Business Activities. I choose this topic because in today's modern era, business success is not only on great idea and strategies, but also on strong and sustainable financing support. Not all entrepreneurs are able to option capital from banks due to limit collateral, small business collect, or administrative barrier. That is where non-bank financial institutions play a vital role as alternative sources of funding that help both companies and individuals to grow and develop their business. The world of business and economy cannot function without capital. Capital is the main fuel that drives business operation. From starting a company, purchasing raw material, developing product, to expand market. However, in reality, not all capital need can be fulfilled through banking institutional. Banks often have strict procedures such as credit analysis, collateral requirement, and administrative process and that small and medium enterprises often struggle to meet. Because of this situation, the government and the private sector development new financing system outside the traditional banking sector, known as non-bank finance institutional. These institutional provide finance support in various forms, from cash loan, leasing, venture capital to export financing. With the extent of this institutional, businesses can now operate more dynamical. Company that previously found it difficult to access loan can now option capital to grow and contribute to national economy development. Definition of financing institution. Based on Presidential Regulation Number 9 of 2009, a financing institutional is a business entity that conduct finance activities in the form of providing fund of capital goods. From this definition, there are two key points. One, a financing institutional is not a fund collecting institutional like a bank. It does not accept deposit or saving from the public. Two, its focus on distributed funds either to individuals, company, or government project. In the other word, a financing institution acts as a bridge between those who have fund and those who need fund, allowing economic activity to continue smoothly. Without financing institutional, many business, especially small and medium enterprise, would struggle to obtain working capital or long-term investment fund. Objectivities of financing institutional. The main objectivities of finance institutional are as follow. First, to support business financing. Many companies need capital to expand operation, purchase equipment, or increase inventory, and financing institutional provide that finance support. Second, to increase investment and trade grow, easier access to financing led to faster capital circulation, which directly boosts investment and national trade activities. Third, to increase productivity and national competitiveness with sufficient capital, business can invest, expand production, and compete in global market. 4. To provide alternative funding source outside of bank, financial institutional become a crucial option for sector that are high risk or not yet eligible for bank financing. Main function of financing institutional. Generally, financing institutional play four major roles in the economy. 1. As provider of business capital. They help entrepreneur obtain funding to production equipment, vessel, or another capital good. 2. As an investment supporters. Their financing activities encourage new investment in both the public and private sector. 3. As drive or the real sector. Financing keep manufacturing, trade, and service industry activity and growing. 4. As partner of the government, many financing institutions collaborate with the government in infrastructure housing or export finance project. With the function final institutional act as engines of national economy grow, complementing the role of bank. Legal foundation. To ensure safe and regulate operational, financing institutional in Indonesia are government by several legal framework include Presidential Regulation Number 6 of 2009 or Financing Institutional Financing Service Authority OJK Regulation Number 29 POJK 05 2014 on the operational of financing institutional, Law Number 10 of 1998 on banking, which also regulates non-bank finance entities. Ministry of Finance this number 1251 KMK 030 1998 on the implementation of financing activities. This legal base ensures that every finance activity is transparent, equitable, and protect public and business interests while maintaining finance system stability. Types of financing institutional. In Indonesia, finance institutional are categorized into 5 main types based on their activity and purpose. 1. Financing company or multi-finance. 2. Venture capital companies. 3. Infrastructure financing company. 4. Secondary mortgage finance companies. 5. Indonesia Export Financing Institutional. Each type serves a unique function, but all share the same goals to stimulate business growth and strengthen the national economy. Financing companies or multi-finance. The most common type of financing institutional is the multi-finance company. Their main activities include leasing, financing the purpose of fees or machinery through installment-based rental, Customer finance, helping customer buy goods like car or electronic on credit. Factory, purchasing a company receivable to provide immediate cash flow. Credit card or working capital financing, providing short-term business funding. Example of multi-finance company in Indonesia are Fifth Group, WOM Finance, Adira Finance, and BCA Finance. Their companies allow millions of Indonesia customers to access goods to equipment without having to pay the full amount upfront. Venture capital companies. The next type is venture capital companies, which play a major role in finding startups and innovative small business with high growth potential. Venture capital different from traditional financing because it involves equity participant. The venture capital firm become a temporary shareholder and earn return through dividend or capital gains as the startup grows. Example include Mandiri Capital Indonesia and its venture which have invested in successful Indonesia startup like Tokopedia, Gojek, and Traveloka. Beyond finance, venture capital firms also provide mentoring, business network, and strategy guidance, helping startups to scale more effectively. In today's digital era, venture capital is vital for nurturing innovation and supporting entrepreneurs who may not yet qualify for bank financing. Infrastructure and secondary mortgage financing. This institutional focus on long-term projects that have a major impact on society. Infrastructure financing institutional such as PT Sarana Multi Infrastruktur provide funding for major national projects, including toll roads, airport, port, and energy facilities. Their role help the government accelerate development without overly burdening the national budget. Secondary mortgage finance institutional such as PT Sarana Multigria Financial provide long-term funding for the housing sector. The support bank in the offering affordable and sustainable mortgage loan (KPR) for the public. Both institutional demonstrate how financial play the key role not just in business but also in public welfare and national development. Indonesian Export Financing Institutional. Lastly, the Indonesian Export Financing Institutional, also known as Indonesia Exim Bank, plays a strategic role in promoting national export. Its services include export financing, providing working capital or financing funding to exporter, export insurance and gratuities, protection export against non-payment risks from for buyer, export consulting and training, assisting small exporter in entering international marketing. LPAE helps strengthen Indonesian competitiveness in global trade and contribute to foreign exchange earning for the country. Conclusion: to conclude financing institutional are one of the key pillar of Indonesia financial and economic system. They provide broader, faster, and more flexible access to capital, not only for large corporate but also for SMEs and strategic sector. By working together with bank, business, and the government, financing institutional create a strong, more inclusive and sustainable economy. As the saying goes, a successful business began with the right financing. In including finance institutional play a crucial role in supporting business activities and driving economic growth. They not only provide capital but also create opportunities for innovation, investment, and sustainable development. I hope this presentation has helping your understanding how these institutional contribute to the success of business and the national economy. Thank you so much for the Ken's attention. Bye.